we know that the state of Florida is bracing for a major Category 4 hurricane, and it could impact your travel plans if you're heading to the Sunshine State. More than 450 flights are already canceled for today. News 5's Elizabeth Van Mitri has been live from Cleveland Hopkins all morning. And Elizabeth, you've been watching the impact there.
Yeah, and that impact, it's getting more and more by the hour. Sarasota just added to that list of flights delayed. Let's go ahead and take a look at the board here. We can see Fort Myers behind me has been canceled, as well as Fort Lauderdale. Mentioned Sarasota, Tampa, and Miami flights out of Cleveland International Airport canceled. As of right now, Orlando still a go for its 7:40 flight. So if you are heading to Disney this morning, you are still able to catch that flight as of now. And I did mention Tampa. I also want to mention with Tampa that airport closed completely at 2 a.m. this morning. It is not expected to open until tomorrow. So if you were hoping to maybe catch a later flight, that's going to be impossible. Just want to mention United, JetBlue, American, major airlines offering waivers to flyers flying out of impacted airports to go ahead and make new travel plans. We're certainly going to see more of these cancellations and delays as Helene makes landfall.